It's finally time to start putting out our Christmas decorations. Let's get to it. My living room is a disaster. As you can see, we are working on a remodel project. I'm so excited. Hopefully it'll be done before Christmas, but if not, it's no big deal. All renovation projects are a mess, and it seems like stuff just gets laid everywhere. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get this basket and I'm going to fill it up with all of Josh's tools and the things that he's using to create what we're creating here in the middle, which just happens to be a fireplace. We're putting an electric fireplace in and I'm so excited. I hope it brings a cozy, homey feel to our living room. Let me take a second here to introduce myself. My name's Kayla. I'm a busy homeschooling mama of 2, Hannah who's 10 and Jana who's 5. I'm married to my wonderful husband Josh. We've been married for 12 years and together since I was 15. So the majority of my life, it's been me and him. On this channel, you'll find cleaning tips and tricks and motivation, as well as decoration inspiration. If you like content like that, then this channel's for you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my content. If you're looking for comfortable loungewear that's affordable and really, really cozy, this set that I have on right here is from the Joyspin line at Walmart. It is amazing. I will link it in the description box below. Do you guys clean in pajamas? Do you stay fully dressed? Or do you wear old clothes? Let me know in the comments. I'm beginning to think that if I didn't let Jana bring anything into this living room, that it wouldn't get that messy. After I gathered up all of her belongings and stacked them together, I realized that the majority of the stuff that was in the living room was Jana's mess. I'm just going to take the Sprayway glass cleaner, my personal favorite, and my glass cleaning e-cloth and take everything off of my side tables and my coffee table and give it a good wipe down. I stacked all of Moogie's stuff together in this chair and I hollered at her to come and get it. Watch her try to get her chair. It's so dang cute. After she tried it, she said, Mom, can I take one thing at a time? You'll notice she comes back carrying her baby. This baby is so stinking cute. Her Aunt Kelly got it for her birthday. I think from Temu. I'll ask her, and if I can, get a link and leave it in the comments below, because it is the most realistic looking baby I have ever seen. Now I'm just going to freshen up my couches and my chairs with this spray. It's actually wrinkle release and it smells like Bounce. It's made by Bounce. I do not like the smell of Febreze. I don't like it in any product, and I definitely do not like it the kind that you spray on like your couches and stuff. I don't know, it has a weird smell to me, so I don't like that. But I'm very thankful that I found this Bounce wrinkle release spray that's safe for fabrics, and it really does make everything smell fresh. You guys, I am dying over here. I asked Jana to pick up her dad's slippers and take them to his room, our room. She wore them. I didn't even notice that that's how she took them. That is hilarious. I cannot even with this child.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey.
Okay, now I'm just going to take my Tenco iFloor 2 and give my floors a quick mop and dry. I love the Tenco iFloor 2. I seen that Amy Darley is trying out the newest Tenco iFloor. I'm excited to see how her review goes on that because I have loved this second generation, and I would definitely not be opposed to getting a smarter one. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description box below.
There's room at the table for big and for small. The fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby.
Okay, it's that time. Christmas tree, yay! I love putting up my Christmas decorations. I like to take my time and just enjoy it. I like to put them up early, but I take them down pretty quickly after Christmas is over. My tree is massive. It's heavy. It's really old. It was my grandma's, but I love it and I will probably have it till it falls apart.
Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. The fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends.
This is the first year that the girls actually want to help me assemble the tree and put the lights on and all of that. Normally I do that by myself. Do you guys assemble the tree together as a family? Or do you just decorate it together as a family? Or do you do it all by yourself? How does it look at your house at Christmas time?
Merry Christmas, baby.
Thank the Lord Hannah wanted to help this year. I forgot how heavy this thing was. It is very cumbersome to put together. is left in the branches, you have to pull them apart like this.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Well, come over here and do it over here.
I'll do it.
We'll look like this. Do it down there at the bottom. You know what I learned about myself through doing this with the girls this year? That the years of doing it by myself made me a little bit of a control freak. I found that I couldn't get them to fluff the branches right. Drove me crazy. I was like, girls, come on now. Keeping Jana on task, that's like a squirrel every 2 minutes. Okay, we're ready to get serious now. Hannah put her hair up in a clip, and I forgot the ladder and had to put my shoes on. We're about to make this thing glow. I got all new lights this year to go on my Christmas tree. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but I'm a white light person. I'm not a fan of colored lights. And no, these are not blinking. It's just a reflection of some kind that's making them come in and out. They do not blink. I got the huge roll of 500 count ball tip lights at the end of the holiday season last year. And I got them for like 75% off. A sweet deal. I remember getting them and being like, heck yeah. They were so easy to put on this year because it's one solid strand of lights per roll, and it was so many lights. It was just so much easier to put on. We started going up and down the tree, and I had the girls tucking the lights in deep into the branches. We had to have a lesson about that too. I'm telling you guys, something is wrong with me. We got short people problems over here. Me and Hannah both were up and down the ladder, jumping and tossing. Holy cow. Seriously, what you see right here is Hannah unraveling the lights and handing them to me, and me standing on the ladder and trying to throw them over the top of the tree. Even standing up taller and taller on the ladder, I could not safely reach the top of our tree. Okay, so far we put 2 rolls of them up and down the tree, and now we're going to take the last roll, which is the 3rd one, and we're going to go in a circle around the tree, spiraling it up and tucking the lights in as we go. be very into buffalo plaid, and as you can see, my tree skirt is buffalo plaid. However, this year, I'm just not feeling the buffalo plaid. I feel like it's been too done for too long. But instead of buying a new Christmas tree skirt, I decided that I would just flip my Christmas tree skirt upside down, and now it's black. It's perfect. It turned out perfect. I'm just going to use my cordless shark vacuum right here to vacuum up all of the pine needles and stuff that were left, or I should say faux pine needles, since it is an artificial tree, from my tree, just to clean that up, since I've already used my tin coat earlier to mop my floors before I put any of this up. All of this happened in the same day. Okay, now I'm going to move on into my dining room. This is right now a current disaster. I am not cleaning this today. I am just putting up my dining room tree, because all of my Christmas stuff is out. Until I have it all put out where it's supposed to go, my dining room will be a hot mess. Side note, Kelly, check out that messy bun. I love this flocked tree for my dining room. It's so perfect for the space. I don't know, I just love a good flocked tree. That about does it for today, you guys. Thanks for watching along with us and for cleaning with us and watching us put up our Christmas trees and get all the lights put on them. I can't wait to film more holiday content for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and go on over to my Instagram, Kayla's Home, and follow me there so you don't miss anything that we've got going on in our life. Thanks. God bless.